Imagine walking into the bank, depositing your hard-earned money, and thinking it's safely locked away. But what if I told you that most of the money isn't actually in there? Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the financial systems that shape our lives. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind how banks operate. And trust me, this will change the way you look at money forever. Let's start with something called fractional reserve banking. It is a term that sounds complex, but its impact on your daily life is profound. So what is fractional reserve banking? Fractional reserve banking is a practice where the banks keep only a fraction of your deposits in reserve and lend out the rest of the money. So for instance, if you deposit $1,000, the bank might only keep $100 and lend out the remaining $900. But where does the rest of the money go? It is lent out to other customers for mortgages, business investments, student loans, other loans, and so on. And the banks charge interest on these loans. And that's one of the main ways the banks make money. So this cycle repeats itself with each new deposit, effectively creating more money in the economy. Sounds straightforward, right? But here's where it really gets interesting. This system is built on trust. Trust that not everyone will withdraw all of their money at the same time. But what happens if they do? Bank run. During the Great Depression, bank runs were common. People rushed to the banks to withdraw their money, but the banks couldn't keep up because they didn't have enough cash on hand. And this led to the banks collapsing and people losing all their savings. Thankfully, we have measures to protect against things like this, like the deposit insurance offered through FDIC. But the underlying principle remains the same. Your money is working behind the scenes, often in ways you can't see. Now, let's dive into how banks actually make money beyond just loans. There are several revenue streams, and understanding these revenue streams will give you better insight into your own finances. First up, interest. Banks earn interest on the loans they give out, and this interest is way higher than the interest they pay you on your deposits. So the difference is called the spread. Now, this is a major profit driver for the banks. Next, we have fees, account maintenance fees, ATM fees, overdraft fees, monthly reserve fees, and the list goes on. These fees can add up to a significant revenue at your expense. But it doesn't stop there. Banks invest in the financial markets, trading in stocks, bonds, and other securities. They also engage in foreign exchange trading, forex trading, earning profits from currency fluctuations. So while your money might just seem like it's sitting in your bank account, it is actually part of a vast network of financial activities designed by banks to generate profit. Here's the kicker. All these activities carry risks. Loans can default, investments can go south, and market fluctuations can impact earnings. But the biggest risk is systemic. If the trust in the banking system wavers, this can lead to financial turmoil. Just think of the 2008 global financial crisis, if you can remember. It's a stark reminder of just how interconnected and fragile our banking system can be. Subprime mortgages, risky investments, and the lack of oversight led to a global financial meltdown. So, what does this mean for you? Understanding how banks operate can help you make informed decisions about your own finances. Be mindful of the fees you are paying, shop around for the best interest, and really be aware of where exactly your money is going. Knowledge is power. By demystifying how banks work, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, your money should be working for you, not just for the bank. If you would like to win at the game of money and have a fulfilling life, I've got a gift for you. This is a set of rules that some of the most successful investors, the world's best at the game of money, have implemented. And I've studied these folks just to figure out what exactly made them unique. And these set of rules I've put together in a free ebook to you. of you. So you can download the link in the description section below. Click on that. It's free at no cost. Thank you for joining. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share this with other people who need to know the truth about money. This will be something that you would thank yourself for. As always, stay empowered, stay safe, and stay informed.